Hi friend, hope you are ready with pen and paper and stay tuned with your channel TrickYWay till the end of the video. And those who have not subscribed your channel TrickYWay, please subscribe for more videos. So guys, without wasting time, come to the point. In these sessions, we will learn how to calculate HCF of a number. Basically, we all know our common process to calculate HCF. So, start. Here, we have to find out the HCF of this number. So, we all know how to calculate HCF. So, it is our HCF for 8 and 12, but it is too much time consuming. At our exam, we always try to save our time. So, what should we do at our exam center? That is, at first, we just calculate the difference between the number. We just calculate the difference between the number. The difference is here 4. The difference is 4. So, after that, you have to check whether this number is divisor of each of the number or not. So, first check 4 is the divisor of 8. Yes. Then 4 is the divisor of 12. Yes. So, our answer is 4. Our answer will be 4. So, the HCF for 8 and 12 is 4. Clear? So, moving to our next question, that is 16 and 22. Find out the HCF of 16 and 22. So, we first step is to calculate the difference between the number. So, the difference is 6. And next we have to check whether the difference is a divisor of the number or not. 6 is a divisor of 16? No. Then we just factor this difference. So 6 equal to 3 into 2. 3 into 2. So starting from the smallest number, 6 is divisor of 16, yes. 2 is divisor of 16, yes. 2 is divisor of 22, yes. So our answer will be 2. So the HCF for 16 and 22 is 2. Clear? Our next problem is here. Three number is given. So for this case, we just calculate the least difference. Okay? Is it clear? Means the least difference of the number is 4, 2, 6. So the least difference is 2. 2 is the least difference. So 2 is our answer. Before we declare 2 as the answer, we have to check 2 is divisor of 8, yes. 2 is divisor of 12, yes. 2 is divisor of 14, yes. So 2 is our HCF. And the last example, that is 17, 21, 25, 27. So as the previous example, we have to calculate the least difference, and that is 4, 2. So the least difference is 2, and then we have to check whether 2 is divisor of 17. No. So we calculate the factor for 2. Calculate the factor. So 2 equal to 1 into 2. 2 equal to 1 into 2. And we all know 1 is divisor of 17, 1 is divisor of 21, 1 is divisor of 25, and 1 is divisor of 27. So for these questions, the HCF is 1. HCF will be 1. So what is the process? First, we have to calculate the difference. If the number is more than 2, then calculate the least difference, and the difference you have to check whether the difference is the divisor of the number or not. If yes, then the difference is your answer. Otherwise, factor the number and check each factor whether which is the divisor of the number. Clear? And this is how we can find the HCF of a number at our exam within few seconds. Thank you for watching the video.